Good morning, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm over here in Winton to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property. So we're situated between both Monton and Worsley villages, with this fantastic, deceptively spacious, lovely presented property. So you've got 2 reception rooms along with a spacious kitchen with integrated appliances and 3 fantastic sized bedrooms to the first floor, along with the 3-piece family bathroom suite. So as you saw as we were coming in, there is also off-road parking to the front. 2 reception rooms divided by these internal French doors. And then it seamlessly flows into this fabulous fitted kitchen dining space. So storage just beneath the stairs behind me. You've got floor to ceiling cupboard space here. Integrated under counter fridge, freezer, along with the dishwasher and the electric hob and oven. Access out into the rear garden, which as you can see is a fantastic size. The Indian stoned patio here as we come out, that fabulous lawn, and then further paving to the rear, and then there is also gated access to both the front and rear of the garden. Now we are literally just a stone's throw from the award-winning Winton Park, and we are equally within walking distance to both Monton and Worsley villages. It literally will take you no more than 20 minutes. We're also located within catchment to both the highly sought after St Gilbert's and St Pat's primary and secondary school, which are located just a short walk away. Family bathroom. The electric shower sat above the tub there, and then on through to the second double positioned in the middle of the property on the first floor. Continuing down this lovely bright landing, there is loft access also, and then on into this fantastic master bedroom, beautifully bright and airy, and these floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes. Now we are also just a short drive to the Trafford Centre. Plenty of amenities on your doorstep, along with fantastic transport links with both M60 and M602 junctions just a short trip away. It's a fabulous home for both first-time buyers as well as growing families, and equally maybe investors adding or wanting to add to their portfolio. So if you are interested in coming along, then please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900 to book your viewing now.